Welcome back to my channel. Luxury drive car. The 2025 Ashok Leyland Dost is a game changer in the world of compact commercial vehicles. With a rich history of manufacturing reliable and efficient trucks, Ashok Leyland has built a reputation for creating vehicles that meet the demands of Indian roads, and the 2025 Dost is no exception. Today, we'll take an in-depth look at this new model, breaking down its design, performance, features, and how it's positioned in the commercial vehicle market. Let's begin with its exterior design. Ashok Leyland has made sure that the 2025 Dost offers both functionality and a modern aesthetic. The vehicle's front fascia is bold and dynamic, with a more aggressive grille that gives it a contemporary appeal. The sleek headlamps and aerodynamic design not only improve the vehicle's visual appeal but also its fuel efficiency by reducing drag. The overall body is tough and rugged, ready to take on the challenging terrain found across India. The vehicle is designed with practicality in mind, featuring ample cargo space that makes it a great choice for small business owners, retailers, and logistics companies. Now, let's talk about the performance. The 2025 Ashok Leyland Dost is powered by a 1.5-litre turbocharged engine, which delivers a perfect balance of power and fuel efficiency. It produces around 80 horsepower, making it ideal for city deliveries and light commercial tasks. Whether you're transporting goods in narrow alleys or on highways, the Dost is engineered to perform under a variety of conditions. The engine is coupled with a 5-speed manual transmission, providing smooth gear transitions and ease of driving, which is essential for drivers who spend long hours on the road. The vehicle's performance is further complemented by its advanced suspension system, designed to tackle rough and uneven roads with ease, ensuring a smooth ride for both the driver and the cargo. Moving on to the interior, the cabin of the 2025 Ashok Leyland Dost has seen significant improvements compared to its predecessors. Ashok Leyland has made sure that the cabin is not only functional but also comfortable. The driver's seat is ergonomically designed, providing ample support for long journeys. The steering wheel is adjustable, allowing drivers to find the most comfortable position. The dashboard layout is simple yet effective, with easy-to-read dials and controls that make it user-friendly, even for first-time drivers. The cabin is also equipped with a modern infotainment system, providing entertainment and convenience while on the go. With features like Bluetooth connectivity, a USB port, and a well-placed radio, it ensures that drivers stay connected and entertained during their trips. Safety is another important aspect that Ashok Leyland has focused on with the 2025 Dost. Commercial vehicles often face tough road conditions, and it's crucial that drivers feel secure behind the wheel. The Dost comes equipped with anti-lock braking systems, ABS, which significantly enhance braking performance, especially in slippery or emergency situations. Additionally, the vehicle is fitted with driver side airbags, providing extra protection in case of an accident. The overall build of the Dost is solid, with crumple zones and reinforced body panels designed to absorb impact and protect the occupants. These safety features, along with strong build quality, make the Dost a reliable choice for businesses looking for a vehicle that not only delivers on performance but also keeps drivers safe. One of the standout features of the 2025 Ashok Leyland Dost is its impressive fuel efficiency. In a world where rising fuel costs are a significant concern, the Dost offers a highly economical solution for businesses. Thanks to the advanced engine technology and aerodynamic design, this vehicle can deliver excellent mileage, helping owners reduce operating costs. The combination of a fuel-efficient engine and a lightweight body allows the Dost to cover more kilometers per liter, which is essential for businesses that rely on frequent deliveries. Another highlight is the Dost's payload capacity. This vehicle is designed to carry up to 1.5 tons of cargo, making it ideal for small to medium-sized businesses. Whether it's delivering goods, transporting materials, or moving equipment, The Dust provides ample space for a wide range of needs. Its wide cargo bed is perfect for securing goods, and the easy-to-load design makes the unloading process a breeze. The Dust is built to handle tough tasks, from delivering groceries in local markets to transporting construction materials across town. It's this versatility that makes it a popular choice among business owners. When it comes to pricing, the 2025 Ashok Leyland Dost is competitively priced, making it accessible for a wide range of businesses. Its affordability, combined with its low operating costs, makes it an attractive option for entrepreneurs and small businesses looking for a cost-effective solution for their transportation needs. Ashok Leyland also offers flexible financing options, making it easier for business owners to own this vehicle without breaking the bank. This combination of competitive pricing and low running costs ensures that the Dust offers great value for money. In terms of after-sales service, Ashok Leyland has a robust network of service centers across India, ensuring that the Dust is well supported throughout its life cycle. The company offers excellent warranty packages, giving owners peace of mind knowing that they are covered in case of any mechanical issues. Additionally, the availability of spare parts is widespread, meaning that maintenance costs remain low, and downtime is minimized. The 2025 Ashok Leyland Dost is also environmentally friendly, with emissions that comply with the latest government regulations. As India moves towards stricter emission standards, the Dust is designed to be eco-friendly, reducing the carbon footprint without compromising on performance. The efficient engine technology ensures that fuel consumption is optimized, helping businesses reduce their environmental impact while operating in an increasingly eco-conscious world. So, who is the 2025 Ashok Leyland Dost aimed at? The vehicle caters to a wide range of users, from small business owners in urban areas to those in rural and semi-urban locations. It's perfect for anyone who requires a compact yet powerful vehicle for transporting goods on a daily basis. Whether you're in the logistics industry, running a local delivery business, or managing a fleet of vehicles, the Dust offers a reliable solution for your needs. In conclusion, the 2025 Ashok Leyland Dost is an excellent addition to the world of compact commercial vehicles. With its powerful engine, efficient fuel consumption, practical design, and range of features, it's a vehicle that offers incredible value for money. Its combination of affordability, reliability, and versatility makes it a top contender in its segment. For business owners looking for a vehicle that can handle daily tasks, transport goods efficiently, and keep operating costs low, the 2025 Dost is definitely worth considering. It continues the legacy of Ashok Leyland in providing high-quality commercial vehicles that businesses can depend on. Please subscribe my channel and share with like.